Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to invite someone to Pokemon TCG Pocket app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and invite a friend so that you can battle them. How do you actually go ahead and invite someone? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you're first going to do is that you're going to log on to the Pokemon TCG Pocket app. Next, you're going to click on the middle button on the bottom hand side, and then here you're going to enter the social hub. On the bottom left hand side, you're going to click on friends, and then next you're going to click on the plus friend icon on the upper right hand side. So once you do that, you'll see your friend ID, and here you could actually enter your friend's ID so that you could actually go ahead and add them to your Pokemon TCG Pocket app. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite someone to Pokemon TCG Pocket app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.